All right, for this particular problem, we've been asked to evaluate it. And so we simply need to plug in the x and the y with the values that have been assigned to those into this particular expression. So we're going to start just by taking our 3 here, which is what x is equal to, right? See that here, and plug it in for x. And then also anywhere we see y, we're going to plug in the 4. So we'll put a 4 here. Minus, again, y is 4. So 4 cubed plus x is 3. So this is going to be 3 to the 1/2 power. Now that we've gotten our numbers plugged in, this just becomes a problem where we have to remember our order of operations in order to find the correct answer. And in the case of powers and multiplication and addition, subtraction, we need to start with the powers. So we'll work on that first. 3 squared is going to be 9. Minus 4 cubed, that's 4 times 4 times 4, so that's going to be 64. And then plus 3 to the 1/2 power. Now, if you haven't seen that in a while, that may look a little weird. When you have 3 to the 1/2, that's the same as the square root of 3. If it had been 3 to the 1/3, that would be the cube root of 3. The 1/4 would be the 4th root of 3. So we're going to write this as the square root of 3. All right, and so let's continue to simplify as we can. The next order of operations says that we need to multiply. That would be our next step. So we're going to do 36. 9 times 4 is 36 minus 64 plus the square root of 3 here. And finally, we're just left with addition and subtraction. So we can do those. 36 minus 64, that's going to give us a negative 28. And plus square root of 3. There's really no way for us to combine this because the 3 is under square root. So this would actually be our final answer for this problem. Now, of course, we could plug it into a calculator, and if we plugged it in and rounded to 1 decimal place, we would get an answer of 26.3. So if asked to convert it to decimal, that's what we would have. But that's how you would work that type of problem, where you've got multiple variables and then values supplied for those variables that you can plug in to evaluate the expression.